Good morning children. Today I will be teaching you percentage and its applications. So first of all you should know what is the meaning of percent. Percent. The word percent means per hundred or out of 100. Suppose I tell you Avneet got 87 marks out of 100. It means she got 87% marks. If suppose children you are getting 87 marks out of 100, it means you are getting 87% marks. Conversely children, suppose when a student got 64% marks, it means that the student secured 64 marks out of 100 marks. 64% marks means 64 marks out of 100 marks. And this is the symbol of percentage. 25% means 25 out of 100, or in fraction form you will write down 25 upon 100. 63% means 63 out of 100 or 63 upon 100. And symbol percentage stands for 1/100th. That means 1 upon 100. So now you should know children what is the meaning of percentage. Percentage is the numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. Numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. It means denominator should be 100. Example 73 upon 100 is a fraction with denominator 100 and its numerator is 73. Denominator is 100 and numerator is 73. So percentage is 73%. Converting a percentage into a fraction. Children, now I will explain you the rule when you have to convert a percentage into fractional form. So children, when you have to convert a percentage into fraction, what will you do? You will replace the percentage sign with 1 upon 100, because percentage means 1/100th means 1 upon 100, and we will reduce the fraction to the simplest form. Suppose you have to express 20% as fraction. So you know 20% means 20 and percentage means 1 upon 100. 20 into 1 upon 100. So 20 into 1 upon 100. So what will you do? You will cancel 0 by 0 and 2 into 1 2 and 2 into 5 100. So it will come out 1 upon 5. So now percentage 20 percentage in the fraction form it will come out 1 upon 5. Now children, suppose you have 6.5% and you have to convert 6.5% into fractional form. So what will you do again? You will multiply 6.5 by 1 upon 100, because percentage means 1 upon 100. Then you will remove point and you will put here 0. Then you will cancel 5 into 2 10, 0. 5 into 1 5, 5 into 3 15. So it will come out 13 upon 20. No, one more 0 will be here. 5 into 2 10 and then 2 0 will be here. So it will come out 5 into 13 65. So 13 into 1 13. 13 upon 200. So 66.5% is when it is converted into fraction form, it is coming 13 upon 200. Now children, suppose you have to convert mixed fraction into fraction form. Mixed fraction, 3 whole number 1 upon 8%. First of all you will change into improper fraction. So it will come out 8 into 3 24 and plus 1 25 upon 8%. Now you will change percentage sign into 1 upon 100. So 25 upon 100 into 1 upon 100. Now you will do cancellation. So it will come out 25. 5 into 5 25, 5 into 2 10, 0, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 4 20. So 1 in the numerator upon 8 into 4 32. So in fraction form it is coming 1 upon 32. So 3 whole number 1 upon 8 in percentage form will be 1 upon 32 in the fraction form. Children, now I am explaining you how you can convert a fraction into percentage. So what is the rule for this? Whenever you have to convert a fraction into percentage, you have to multiply by 100 and then you have to put percentage sign. Suppose you have been given one fraction 3 upon 25 and you have to convert 3 upon 25 as percentage. So what will you do? You will multiply 3 upon 25 by 100 and you will put percentage sign. So then you will cancel 25 into 1, 25 into 400. So 3 into 4, 12%. Now children, suppose you have to convert mixed fraction into percentage. What will you do? The question is 1 whole number 5 upon 8. 1 whole number 5 upon 8 you change into fractions. 8 into 1 8 plus 5 13. 13 upon 100 into 100. and then you put percentage sign. I told you when you have to convert fraction into percentage, you multiply by 100 and you put percentage sign. So 13 upon 100. So now you do cancellation, it will come 4 into 2 8 and 4 into 2 8 and 4 into 5 20, 25. So it is becoming 13 into 25 upon 2. 13 into 25 upon 2. You multiply 13 by 25, it will come out 325. 325 upon 2, and when you will divide, it will come out 162.5%. So when you have changed one whole number 5 upon 8, it was in the fraction form, and when you converted into percentage form, it has come how much?